We're making turkey lasagna today. Yeah, buddy. Turkey lasagna. That's actually better than I thought it would be. So here's what we got. So we got our ground turkey, onion knot, part skin mozzarella, low-fat cottage cheese, my pepper, tomato sauce, tomato paste, our herbs, which is ground garlic, oregano, and basil. Lasagna. We're actually going to cook this in the slow cooker, and nothing else is too fancy or flashy other than that. Let's get to cooking. First thing first, we're gonna cook the turkey with onions in it. We're gonna brown it. I'm not an actual chef. I don't know the trick to actually cutting onions. Unacceptable! Then we add salt, we add our onions, more onions, then we stir it together, and then we're gonna let it brown. I probably did this wrong, so it's still gonna be delicious. I don't know. Can you tell I actually don't know what I'm doing?
How come, Adrian, how come you bought a block of cheese even though you don't have a grater, a cheese grater?
Low-fat cheese, that's for sure.
Yum, 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 yum.
So this is what we're gonna use for our cheese. We got 2 ounces of the Parmesan, fat mozzarella, low-fat cottage cheese. So good, man. This is the only acceptable form of tomato you should eat. You're gonna do 10 reps, clockwise, but you gotta even it out. Let's go with 1 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano. People always ask me where the stir the pot exercise comes from. This is obvious. Stir the pan. Cool, so now that this is done, we got our cheese, we have this guy. We're gonna actually be cooking this in a crock pot. Reason we're doing that is I could just put it and leave, right? So a lot of times with lasagna, if you have an oven on, you need to be here for that. This guy can set, wake up overnight, good to go, which is really cool. So that's actually what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna put it to cook, we're gonna come by tomorrow, and then we're gonna finish the video. So we're gonna put a third of this in here, and then we're gonna go a layer of this dude, and then this, a layer of this, and let's go. It on slow cook. We're gonna put this for 5 hours, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
1 hour later.
Alright, it is the morning of the next day. It's been on here for 5 hours. Like I said though, you can cook it for 2 and it'll be good. So I am really excited to get into this. I'm gonna take this thing is thick, but it is really good. I know this because I've made it a couple times. It is cheesy.
Is it easy and cheesy?
It is exactly what I love about lasagna. That is it, man. This lasagna is killer. It's super high in protein, pretty low in fat, because we're using a lot of the low fat to 0 fat cheeses. Really good. If you want more protein, you can always put a little bit more of the ground turkey in it. Other than that, it is killer. Easier to make, easy recipe. I would always give it a shot. That's it for today.